Today we're going to announce the winner of the Dayton Audio Belt Drive Turntable. The IMM6C from Dayton Audio is a great measurement microphone that you can carry around in your pocket. Get quick and quality measurements using your phone or tablet. Just make sure you can plug it in using the USB-C connection built right into the microphone. Getting a reading from you or your friend's sound system has never been easier with Dayton Audio's IMM6C. If you like seeing our products all in one place, you can check out our digital sales flyer. In this PDF, you can browse through just like a magazine and see the best of what Parts Express has to offer. Everything is well organized and easy to read, even our speaker kits, which you might want to be taking a closer look at. The reason you're going to want to pick out a speaker kit is because the Be a Builder contest is now back. Take one of our speaker kits and either leave it stock or customize it however you like. The highest voted in 4 different categories all win a $200 Parts Express gift card. So get to building and don't forget to submit your entry by February 4th. If you haven't seen the new Dayton Audio turntables, then you really need to check them out. Luckily, for one person, they're going to get to check it out firsthand because they are the winner of this giveaway. That person is Dale N. from Warren, Pennsylvania. Hey, congratulations, Dale. We'll be in touch soon. If one big contest wasn't enough, you can also enter to win a prize package from Celestion containing 2 8-inch mid-bass drivers, which would ordinarily cost $360, but for the winner, they will be free. Good luck to all who enter, and we'll see you next month.